Hey guys, Janice Petteway, Director of Brokerage Development for Exit Realty Corp International. So mortgage madness, what does that mean? What the heck is going on right now? I'm sure most of you have read and you know that right now the buyers, bless them, they've got to have pretty much a credit score of 660 right now instead of 620 to get a decent mortgage. And so what does that mean for us as an industry? This is one of the times that it's the hardest in the history of reporting for purchasers to obtain a mortgage. But the interest rates are so low, it's the best time for them to obtain a mortgage. So as professionals, what are we going to do about it? So I have some ideas for you. I think that right now it's really important for us to make sure that we're reaching out and trying to service all kinds of people, the ones that are ready to buy today, but the ones that aren't, we need to work with them. So I've said this before, it's not such a repeat totally, but because these mortgage industry rules keep changing, right? It's difficult right now. So I want you to do some social media posts or reach out to your sphere and maybe do something along the lines of an educational event, whether it's a Zoom or in your office when you can, and have the title of it be something along the lines of obtaining a 30-year mortgage the easy way, or preparing your credit for a very low interest rate 30-year mortgage, something that would be a good teaser type heading. And then I want you to get with a lender, and maybe they have to either have someone that does credit repair in their office or a company that they work with. So you want to get your team together and you want to be able to educate future buyers on what they need to do to get their credit ready and to move up the score. There's very easy things people can do to up their credit score in a relatively short period of time. So wouldn't you guys all like to have, 10, 15, 20, 25 buyers that want to purchase, that probably nobody else in your town is paying any attention to because they can't purchase soon? But if you've got 10, 15, 20 buyers that are loyal to you because you're helping them fix their little problem, um, isn't that a really good book of business for the last part of this year or even next year? That should never be something that you don't want to work with, right? So I know personally most agents would say, I would love if every month my lender called and said, hey, Mrs. Smith and Mr. Jones are ready to go. They can purchase, their credit is locked in, they're good to go. Go find them something. Here's their, not only their pre-qual, here is their 100% done qualified letter. That's a good buyer, guys. So not everything, we've learned through this little bit staying at home, hopefully some patience. Not everything has to be a buyer that's going to close in a week or 30 days. We've learned to wait and to plan and to execute properly, hopefully. So let's serve them and do some things as a whole to get them to raise their hand and say, yes, I want to do this, I need help. I realized through this stay-at-home order that we have outgrown our apartment or this or that, and we're ready to buy. That would be good, wouldn't it? See you guys tomorrow.